Welcome back. Now we continue with the questions. The next one is number 37. Find the coefficient of the sixth term in the binomial expansion of 1 minus 2x over 3 raised to power 10. What we do here is we know that the power of 1 starts from 10 and it keeps reducing across the expansion, while that of the second term, which is minus 2x over 3, starts from 0 and it keeps increasing across the expansion. So that's equal to 10c0 1 raised to power 10 minus 2x over 3 raised to power 0 plus the next term is 10c1 1 raised to power 9. You can see it's now 9. The power of 1 is now 9 instead of 10. It's reducing, times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 1 plus the next term will be 10c2 times 1 raised to power 8 times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 2 plus the next term is 10c3 times 1 raised to power 7 times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 3 plus 10c4 1 raised to power 6 times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 4 plus the next term is 10c5 1 raised to power 5 times minus 2x over 3 times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 5. I think that's the sixth term. We have 1. These are the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's the sixth term. So we can stop there, and that's what we need. We want to find the coefficient of the sixth term. So that, let me evaluate that. 10c5 times 1 raised to power 5 times minus 2x over 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 10c5 is 252. You can check that on your calculator. 1 raised to power 5 is 1 times minus 2x raised to power 5 is going to be minus 32 x raised to power 5. I know that minus 2 raised to power 5 is minus 32, x raised to power 5 is x raised to power 5 over 3 raised to power 5 is 243. And what does that become? Then that's the same as, I know that 24 here is 27 if you check, or better still 3 here 81, 3 here 28, and now 3 here 84, now 3 here 27 and 3 here 28. So we have 28 times minus 32, 28 times minus 32, which is minus 896. So the sixth term is minus 896 x raised to power 5 over 27. And the correct option is, they said the coefficient of the sixth term, but what they gave was the sixth term itself. Okay, so the correct option is D, minus 896 x raised to power 5 over 27. And now we go straight to the next, which is number 38. Number 38. An exponential sequence GP is given by 8 root 2, 16 root 2, 32 root 2, and so on. Find the nth term of the sequence. Okay, common ratio R is T2 over T1, or better still T3 over T2. So T2 is 16 root 2, so, and T1 is 8 root 2. 16 root 2 over 8 root 2 is 2, that means R is 2. We check here too, 32 root 2 over 16 root 2 is also 2, so that means R is 2. Let me write this 16 well. Now what's the nth term? The nth term of an exponential sequence is given by a raised by n minus 1. The nth term is t, and the nth term tn of an exponential sequence is given by a raised by n minus 1, and that simply means a is 8 root 2. So I can say, I'm going to say 8 root 2 times r, which is 2 raised to power n minus 1, and that's the same as 8 root 2 times 2 raised to power n minus 1 is the same as 2 raised to power n divided by 2 raised to power 1. You can write that as 8 root 2 times 2 raised to power n over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4, and then I'm left with 4 root 2 times 2 raised to power n 4 is the same as 2 raised to 4 is the same as 2 raised to power 2 times root 2 times 2 raised to power n. So what do I have? This is the same as us saying 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power n times root 2, which simply means 2 raised to power 2 plus n times root 2. And I think they wrote this as n plus 2. 2 raised to power n plus 2 times root 2. 2 raised to power n plus 2 times root 2. And the option that matches that is D, 2 raised to power n plus 2 root 2. Okay, that's it. Let's stop there and then we continue. Take a breather and continue in the next. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.